How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before we get started with this video, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, loyal subscribers, old loyal subscribers, new subscribers, people that watch this video. If you think you want to be a subscriber, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, this video is this is going to be a shout out to Doozers Models, old Dwayne over there at Doozers Models. Oh, it's been a little bit back that he had a drawing for some models, I guess, you know, and I didn't win, but I had commented on there because he asked, you know, if anybody wanted in on this drawing, and if they would want a body painted by him, and to put that in there. And I put, hell yeah, I want a body painted by you. You're a hell of a painter, and I sure would love to have a body painted by you. Well, needless to say, I didn't win. I think it was old Mark at Red 13 won. He won the CUDA. Yeah, I think it was the CUDA. Rebel CUDA. And Dwayne had painted that for him, and he had also painted me a kit and sent me a kit. And Dwayne, I can't thank you enough. I love it. I'll show everybody here in a minute the paint job you did for me. Now I still have to build the kit, but he did the body, and man, he did an excellent job. Dwayne is one hell of a painter. And Dwayne, I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And if there's anything I can do to repay you, please let me know. Anything, buddy. And I will build this model. And I got Peter Scale Hobbies tuner build on the desk right now, and I can only do one at a time. But when I get this one finished, I know I got a couple buddy builds coming up, but we'll kind of hold off on those. And this is going to be the next one, because I really am excited to get it built and show you what I could do with it. And so anybody that's not subscribed to Dwayne, his description will be in the link below. It'll be Doozers Models, and he's from Canada, and he loves hockey and he loves model cars, and he's one hell of a model car builder. He has a big collection. He got a huge collection, and he is one heck of a model builder and painter, and his painting's exceptional. But with that being said, this is the kit that he sent me. Look at that. That's the 1960 Chevrolet, and that is one awesome kit. And so I'll turn this around here, and I'll show you what he done. Thank you. All right. Here's the bed. Look at the detail there, the two-tone paint job, the wood grain. Look at that. That's kind of like a bronze, copper, metallic color and tan. Put that over to the side. And then here's the cab. You can see he even got the script on the side of it. Get my camera to focus. This comes off, and this is white, and you'll see how that'll tie in here in a minute. That's the beautiful cab of it. And door panels, everything's painted too. Let me move this camera down so y'all can see a little bit better. There's the hood. Look at the shine on that paint. Look how sparkly. Beautiful. here's the grill. The grill's been de-chromed and painted white. Just needs a black wash in it. So I think with that being said, he de-chromed the hubcaps and everything, and he painted the wheels, painted it all tan, the same color as the bottom half of the truck. And I think we're going to paint the hubcap white. I think with that white grill and that white top, that will tie in perfect with the white walls on it. There's the dash, and he's got the eyebrows for the dash painted that tan color. Door panels. You can see right there. And then the rest of it, let's see, and then he painted the tan on that. But then the rest of it, I'll still have to build. It's all, but like I said, I can't thank Dwayne enough. I'm honored to have one of his painted bodies, and I will try to make you proud. And yeah, I think I'll make it turn out good. Hopefully I'll make it turn out good. But I appreciate it, Dwayne. Thank you. Y'all go like, share, and subscribe to Dwayne. He is a good guy.